Why is the family court system often bad for children? Imagine being caught in a storm where everyone is arguing and you feel stuck in the middle. That's what many children experience during family court cases. Family courts handle tough issues like divorce, custody, and accusations of abuse. These cases are often full of high emotions and conflicts. When parents fight in court, children can feel overwhelmed, scared, and insecure. They might worry about losing contact with one parent or fear for their safety. This emotional stress can hurt their mental health and growth over time. Sometimes, family courts don't fully protect children from unsafe situations. Courts relying on reports from child welfare agencies, but these agencies might not always have complete information. If a judge believes that abuse would have been reported already, they might overlook signs of danger. This can lead to decisions that put children in risky environments. For example, a child might be placed with a parent who is neglectful or abusive because the court didn't see enough evidence. This disconnect can cause harm instead of helping. Another problem is parental alienation. This happens when one parent manipulates the child to reject the other parent. Courts try to fix this by changing custody, but if alienation is strong, it can take years to resolve. This ongoing conflict can damage the child's relationship with both parents. It can also make the child feel torn and confused about who to trust. The legal process itself can be confusing and intimidating for children. They might have to sit through hearings, listen to private matters, or see their parents argue. Judges base decisions on what they hear from parents, not always directly from children. This can make children feel like their voices don't matter, which adds to their stress. They may feel powerless and unheard. High levels of parental conflict don't just stop in court. Even after cases end, ongoing disagreements can affect children's emotional health. Children living in homes with constant fighting often struggle with anxiety, depression, and problems at school. They might find it hard to make friends or focus on their studies. When parents cannot resolve their issues, children pay the biggest price. While family courts aim to do what's best for children, the way they handle disputes can sometimes cause more harm. The adversarial system, limited cooperation with child protection agencies, and unresolved conflicts can lead to decisions that aren't good for children's safety or emotional health. Many professionals now suggest reforms like child-centered approaches, better cooperation with welfare agencies, and alternative ways to settle disputes. These changes can help protect children and support their well-being during difficult family times.